Welcome! In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications straight from the top, and as you will see, you have a bunch of toggles right here. So we're looking for power saving one. Now, if it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the side, and as you can see for me, it's right over here. It's called Battery Saver. So once you see this toggle, you can tap on it to enable it, like so. It changes color to signify that it is enabled. Also changes the battery, so it's not filled. Before it was white. So it changes the color of the battery too, just so you can see that in here. And apart from that, we don't have any indication on what it changes, so all I can do is just guess. So keep in mind that what I'm gonna tell you is just a simply, let's call it an educated guess, based on other power saving modes and how they function. So I will mention the most important thing that usually gets changed. So that is the Wi-Fi and mobile data being turned off when you don't use the device, meaning when it's in this locked state, it's gonna lay like this for a couple minutes. It's gonna just shut off Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve a little bit of battery. Now, because of that, you won't be receiving notifications from applications that require internet connection. And just to name a few, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. Now, chances are it might not completely cut it out, but you might see a significant delay in the delivery of it. So as an example, someone might have sent you a message 20 minutes ago, and you literally just get a notification after that 20 minutes after it's been sent. And that would be because the phone decides to occasionally reconnect to network to see if it's missing some kind of notifications. Once it connects it, it gets that message and notifies you about it. So, like I mentioned, if you experience such a problem, that is because of your power saving mode. Now, once you're done with your power saving mode and to get rid of it, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and voila, everything should go back to functioning as it did before. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.